This folding bike lock from West Biking uses a hardened alloy construction that feels solid in hand and resists casual cutting or prying attempts very well for everyday city use. Its articulated folding design gives enough reach to secure the frame and often a wheel to fixed objects, yet collapses down to a very small package that tucks neatly into a bag or onto the included frame mount. The lock body is coated with a protective layer that helps shield your bicycle's paint from scratches and also shrugs off rain and road grime without seizing up. Three well-machined stainless steel keys with unique profiles and stamped codes make it easy to share the lock between bikes and replace a key later if one goes missing. Despite offering more security than a simple cable, the lock remains light enough that it does not feel like a burden on a commuter or folding bicycle. Overall, it strikes a practical balance between portability, ease of use, and theft deterrence that suits daily riders who want better protection without carrying a heavy chain.